All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing well this morning. A little earlier than normal for us in the little 8 o'clock hour here on a Friday morning. Hope everybody's doing well. I know we got some snow and stuff coming to the East Coast here in the U.S. again this weekend. But hey, that creates a lot of opportunities to stay home and trade. That's the way I look at it. Always stay positive, always look to the upside. What's happening with Bitcoin now? Friday morning setup. First thing you recognize in the charts is we're in a declining lower volume off of the last move higher, more or less lower volume, say the last time that we bounced. Um, so I mean, there's something to say about that. But we're coming back down to declining now. The trend now is we're slowly declining. It's not a dump by any means. It's just a slowly decline in the trend again after hitting that 44,000 kind of area, 43,500 and above, and then coming back down again. Okay. No real excitement, no real, vigor or strength to it. It's just the reality here going into the weekend. So you want to take a look at a couple things you can look at. Um, Obviously the RSI on the 4 hour, obviously your moving averages. You can also look at the TSI, which is a trend strength index. That's a very easy way for you to kind of look at, okay, what's really the overall trend, right, of the market on a macro level, which is going to trickle down. Obviously, if you caught the video yesterday, I'll put up another video. I'll do an update here in a little while on the short trades. Obviously, we were short the last 24 hours. Mostly correlated with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but obviously Cardano, some other altcoins that have gotten just extended. They got overheated on their RSIs. It's just an average, a regular trade. But we've kept them open because we're watching this 42,000 level here now, mates. This is what's critical. 42,000 is to some it's an arbitrary number. I know there are a lot of active addresses at that level. You cross into 41,000, you're going to see an uptick in the number of active addresses that are out of the money in Bitcoin. As it crosses back over to 42,000, you're going to see that tick because there's a lot of people that bought in that 42,000 area, okay? 41,800 to 42,000. It's a lot of addresses, okay? So that line teeters, right? That's a huge break point for a lot of people. And if we break that, we're going to fall back to 40 and we're going to test 40 again. So let's open this up, kind of take a look at that, what it looks like on your chart. And so I have the moving averages open, I have the cloud open, and obviously the TSI index and RSI down here. You can see the RSI on the 4 hour has been in a declining trend, okay, for the last day. We're now approaching the 40 level, which provides some opportunity, which is why we're in the short right now. What would cause us to reverse to exit our shorts and get into our buy? That is going to be the RSI level getting closer to 30, or if we see a candle flip here being demonstrated on, say, the 1 hour or the 2 hour with some volume to get in and get out of our shorts and then pop back in. Concerning thing here with Bitcoin right now, mates, you got to look at is we're at that bottom area of the cloud on the 4 hour. Now, do have a little bit of support, obviously, coming up right here. Okay, so that's what we want to keep an eye on. And then, of course, we have the bottom support down in the 40,000 area, okay, that we certainly don't want to test again. But we've done it before repeatedly. You can go back here, wicks here, wicks here. We did break through it short time frame, very less than 3 minutes. It popped back up here. Okay, so we know about those support areas, right? And we got the RSI here on the 1 hour. Here's your TSI declining, obviously. So we're going to want this to base out again like it did on the 7th, okay, and then move higher again. See here how it based out here and then moved higher again, okay? You can see the moves here and the moves that were right here and right here, okay? That's what you want to look for. And that's how you kind of just break it down as to where we're at. Not looking to exit the short trades unless I see what happens at this 42,000 level today. Okay, that is what's going to be critical for Bitcoin, is to hold that 42,000 level. If she could do that, then we'll base continuation pattern consists, no danger, okay, nothing's really changed, and then we're going to come back and test 44 again, which is what we ultimately really want to